guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new, please subscribe and join the hashtag Royalty Squad. And if you're not new, thank you so much for clicking to watch my new video. So in this one, I'll be showing you guys how I film and edit my videos. The most asked question that people ask me is that how do you film and how do you edit? I don't know if you guys know this, but I do everything on my phone. I use an iPhone 7 Plus. So yeah, so in this video I'll just be showing you the apps I use and the things I do. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below or DM me on my Instagram at Esther_Olaoye, and I'll be sure to answer all your DMs. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn something. The two apps I use to edit are iMovie and Inshot. So I'll open up iMovie now, press the plus button, click on movie and choose the video I want to edit. Then I click on create movie. Then I go back to the beginning and I watch the videos to know what I want to take out or what I want to leave in the video. So I quickly watch that. Then when I'm ready to split it, I'll pause the video, click on the actual video, split. Then I'll watch it again to see where I want to, to see where the splits will end. Then I'll split it. Then I'll click on the clip. Then I'll press delete. Oh, I'm slowing down the video. As you guys can see, it's very slow now. Then I've reduced the volume because I want to add a background music. Yeah, I'm just watching the video to know what to leave in or what to take out. I don't know if that makes sense. So that's what I'm doing now, watching the video. Then if I'm talking, I would increase the volume to get rid of any background sound. And yeah, as you guys can see, I don't know why there's no voice in this screen recording. Yeah, to add music, I can use some of the music in the app, or what I do is that I usually open YouTube or wherever the song I want to use is, then I screen record it and then I just add it as a voiceover. That's an hack for you to learn when you want to edit your videos. So yeah, I go back. Yeah, this is I'm showing you guys right now. I screen recorded that, the video's assurance. Then I've taken out the background music. Then it's the video's assurance that's playing. You guys will see at the end of the video, you'll see the end result of the editing. So yeah, that's what is going on. Then I just take out the part that there's no music. Then I drag it all the way forward. If there is irrelevant stuff in the background, I just click on the video. You can see the plus sign at the corner. Then I just pinch to zoom in. So I just make it a little bit closer to my face. I do this when I do makeup videos. This video is a makeup video, so I'm zooming into my face. So you can see that right now. It doesn't affect your quality in any way. I just zoom in a little bit to my face. So yeah, I'm done with iMovie. Then I save the video in the highest quality, HD 1080. That's what I do. Save pretty quickly. Yeah, so when that's done, I open Inshot. Then I click on video. And I import my video into Inshot. First thing, I click on canvas. I click on YouTube. Remove the watermark. Then I add, if I'm looking a bit too bright, I reduce the lightness of it. I reduce how light it is to give me a little bit of my melanin. Then they have music in the app, a lot of music. There is a lot of music in this app. Literally a lot. So you guys can see. Then I click on stickers. I go to the one with Facebook. then I pick my Instagram logo, my Instagram sticker, just to give you guys my Instagram username. Then I go to text and I type in my Instagram username. Like, there are lots of fonts in here. I forgot to show you guys, but there are loads of fonts. Then I reduce the size to very small. Then yeah, I just add it. I'm just showing you guys all the what's it called, the whatever they're called. So you can actually add pictures in your video like this, like I'm showing you right now. You can split, you can cut, but I don't like doing all that on the app. It's a bit messy, so I don't really like this app for splitting, but it's very good for adding animations and overlays and stuff, and that's what I do on the app anyways. Yeah, to make my makeup videos like much more cinematic, I just split some parts, like all the dramatic parts. You guys will see, not dramatic literally, but yeah. So I just make sure it's secluded so I can add a particular edit. So I go to effects, then I choose the one I want. I'm just showing you guys, like I didn't use neon. Yeah, you guys can see all the effects. Yeah. Then I go to that I can see it. So I chose mirror. Yeah, that's what I used. Yeah, as you guys can see, the effect is so cool. So yeah, that's what I do. I'm a bit extra like that. So they also have like this video, like GIF or GIF, whatever you say, like GIF kind of stuffs. I don't really know what it's called, but you have like subscribe, like follow me, add me, stuff like that. You guys can see you have like, you have subscribe, you have Google search, you have pin it, you have tweet, you have like. There's a lot on this app. I really love this app. Then I save it, and yeah, that's my editing done, and you guys will see this is the finished look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs this video up, and in the comment section below tell me if you want an eyebrow tutorial. And yeah.